Team captain, punta po rito. Three minutes, 30 seconds. 68-96 in favor of Vice 2007. Number 7, Uy, tumira. Wala. Rebound. Rebound by 23, Balunga. Balunga, pinasa kay Santos. Number 11. Back to Sultan, number 90. Wala. Rebound by number 30, Marjola. Back to number 90. 99. Tumira kay Uy. Pasok. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. Number 11. 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Mercado, 2 points. Balungan. Balungan. Tumira. Wala. Short. Rebound. 99. 99. Pinaba ang bola. Kicking the ball. White ball. Two minutes, 10 seconds. Altana. Back to Balungay. Balungay drive. Foul. Number 99. Balungay. Last 2 minutes. Santos. Tumira. Wala. Mercado. 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 Uy, drives. Tumira. Basket. 1 minute, 39 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Sultan. Reverse. Wala. Rebound by Ablon. Pinaba. Pinasa kay Panyolina. Panyolina. Tumira. Pinilit. Wala. Sultan. Intercepted. Number 29. Pinala kay number 99. 99. Panyolina. Wala. 1 minute, 5 seconds. Rebound by Marjola. Intercepted. 99 to the press. Wala. Panyolina for the rebound. Pass to Mercado. Mercado. Wala. Uy for the rebound. Basket! Last 40 seconds. Number 99. Seconds on. Number 11, Santos. 15 seconds on shot. Pass to Soldado. Soldado, tumira. Wala. Rebound by Uy. Last 22 seconds. Last 20 seconds. 18 seconds. 15 seconds. Intercepted. White ball. Last 12 seconds. 12 seconds, point 3 on. Five, 4, 3, 2. in favor of batch 2007. Batch 2018 and 2010, mag-warm up na po kayo. 10 minutes warm up. dito po kayo sa left side. 2010 dito po sa right side.